Hi traders, in this video I'm going to show you the geometrical nature of the market. I just want to show it to you to help you to find your edge in the market to take better trading decisions. So let's start the rock and roll. I have already empty chart prepared over here. Let's presume that we just start analyzing the market from this point. Okay, so let's do it. Let's presume that we started here. We know that here's the bottom, and we know that here was a local top. So let's try to do it after the price started falling. So let's say we don't see this part here at the moment. We see market up to here, and we don't know what's gonna happen in the future. We see that here we got the bottom of the market, and here we had the top. Let me just move it here just in order to show you how to do it. So first what we draw the line by angle. We can find here, over here as well in Fibonacci tools. Angles, it is Fibonacci tools, or Gann tools is Fibonacci, I think. Okay, so let's do it. We draw the line by angle. We draw it from the very bottom, from the minimum, up to the top. And as you can see over there is 48.7 points. The line, the angle. So what we are at the moment here, or somewhere here. We don't know what's going to happen later on. You don't see this part of this chart. So because Gann said that the market turns when the price square the time. What does it mean? It means it makes squared. It makes equal. They met in a certain point, like here, for example, or like here, we had the local bottom here and local top here. So we might presume that here and here, the price and time squared. So let's do a square. So we've got here 48.7 degree. Let's make another angle. Let me find the calculator. Just calculate how much is it. So we got 48.7. Got 48.7. We add 90 degree. So we have to drag another angle, which is 138.7 degree. Let's do it. Let's start from here. Okay, let's say that we are right with this. Okay, let's try to move it. Why does it move like that? 138.7, and we drag it here exactly to this top. That's it at the moment. Lovely harmony of the market. How do we find this place? First of all, we might find in two ways. First, we got let's drag the line here, because we know this one. We know that he was the top. And we might presume now that in this time, again, might happen local top or bottom. Okay, let's draw it. Let's draw it this way. For example, we draw it here. I draw a line. Here we go. We got a lovely line. Let's see where it is going to happen. Okay, it's going to happen somewhere here, I presume, like here. So here should be local top or bottom. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's drag another line. We drag another line here. So we've got two equal parts as where price and time should have squared. We don't know yet if it's going to happen to here or not, but we presume it might happen. Okay, what I wanted to show you in this moment is that if you consider this line at degree 48.7, probably, and this one at the angle 138.7, they might be of major importance. if we consider here as a top, again, it's not a top because the price jumped a little bit over. So probably from this point we should get another bottom somewhere here, which you see had happened already, because we just missed it 4 hours. But as a matter of price, we didn't move it that far. What happens with this line? Let's look how it looks like. If you put it here, you might guess why the price didn't start falling here. From this point, it started already here, because just here, price and time squared. Then what happened? Same story here. Let's go further. So, what I would like you to keep in mind is that harmony of the market, it doesn't only mean equal distance of, in the sense of time between tops and bottoms, or, the maximum minimum of the market, but it's also the harmony of the angles on the market. So there are equal angles here and there in the cycles. So I'll show you, I already prepared another chart here. So we've got first angle from this bottom to the top. I drag the line, which is 74.6, and I made another angle 90 degree bigger, which is 164.8. So here is 90 degree. And as you can see, this line is considered here as a major point where the price stops. Same story here, we got another one. It is another angle of 64.4 plus 90 degree, it's 154, and 4 is a little bit bigger. I just wanted to show you that from this top, 90 degree shows us again here some points where the market might return. Same story with this line. Drag from this bottom to this bottom. This is not less than 46 degree plus 90 degree is 136 more or less degree. So again, as you see here, we got a major point, major support, where the locally price stopped here, just came back and started falling again. So guys, use it, just make use of it. It's worth trying, it's worth experimenting. I hope this video helped you. If you like it, just share it with the others or give me a like, whatever. I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.